To hide apps on OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to move down and then enter security and privacy. Inside, move down again and look for the hide apps, select it, and then when you enter it for the first time, it will ask you to create a privacy password. So make sure to create that password and remember it. It's used throughout the different functions for the hiding, locking, and etc. for the apps. When you have the password, open it like this and then click on Get Started. There's access methods for apps that you will hide. You can either go for the access code, that way you'll be able to open those apps by going to your phone dialer and then entering a secret code that you will set up to open the folder with hidden apps. You can also go for the home screen folder if you like, that way there will be a folder with the hidden apps. In this case, I'm gonna go for the phone dialer. We can set up our access code in the settings, so type in the hash and then whatever numbers you would like to get. For example, 7, and then we can end it with another hash. Now we can click on Done, Done again, and add apps. Now select whichever apps you want to hide. In this case, I'm gonna go for a compass. We want to hide the home screen icon or not hide it. And the difference is, if you hide the home screen icon, that way the app will be entirely moved to the hidden folder. If you decide to not hide it, then the app will be still visible. So we're gonna go for this option to hide it and then move into our phone dialer. Now we need to type in the code that we've entered. And here's the compass that we've hidden. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.